I don't know how to set up Google Analytics on WordPress. That's a common problem for people who want to track their website's performance but aren't sure how to connect Google Analytics. Don't worry, it's actually very simple. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Google Analytics on your WordPress website with MonsterInsights in just a few minutes.
First, open your WordPress dashboard. From the left sidebar, go to Plugins and click Add New Plugin. In the search bar, type MonsterInsights. Hover over MonsterInsights. Here, you'll see an Install button. Install the plugin. Once it's finished installing, click Activate. After activation, the Setup wizard will open. Choose your website type, then click Save and Continue. You'll see Connect MonsterInsights button. Click it to continue. Now it's time to connect Google Analytics with your Google account. I'll assume you already have a Google Analytics account. Click Sign in with Google and follow the prompts. Choose the website you want to connect, then continue following the on-screen instructions. Once the setup is complete, you'll be automatically redirected to your MonsterInsights Google Analytics dashboard inside your WordPress website.
And that's it. You've successfully set up Google Analytics on WordPress with MonsterInsights. Thanks for watching.